Okay, so you want to let your Twitch viewers take a photo of your stream while you're live and have it automatically be uploaded to Discord as a redeem. Well, are you mad? Look at the state of this, and this, and this. Well, it's actually a really cool redeem, and if you want to see it live in action, you can go to my channel anytime. I'll put the link down below. But yeah, let's do it. I haven't made a guide in ages, and I really need the ad revenue. Please watch till the end. Okay, here's what we need. First of all, we need to set up a new Twitch redeem. Call it something like take a photo. This is what your viewers are going to use to initialize this whole thing. Second thing we need is OBS. This is the streaming software I use, and this is what we're going to use to get the screenshots from. Third thing we're going to use is the Mix It Up bot. This creates the command line that talks to OBS and Twitch. And the fourth thing is Discord. Obviously, this is where the photo or screenshot is going to be uploaded to. So now we know what we need. Let's get on with the whole process. Let's jump into OBS. So in the OBS settings, let's set a hotkey for screenshots. I've used Control+1, but you can use whatever you want. I might even change this in the future. Next, under the output option, note down your recording path. This will really help you out later. And then under the advanced option, change file name formatting to capture or something similar, and then check that overwrite if file exists option. But please note, if you record multiple screenshots or videos, they will now be overwritten. So if you want to keep them, be sure to rename them. And the screenshots will just be called screenshot capture, and the video will just be called capture. This will make sense when we get to the Mix It Up part. So now we've got our screenshot hotkey and file name structure sorted, we can move straight on to Mix It Up. I'm not going to go into depth about how to set up Mix It Up because I've already got a beginner's guide video all about that, which I'll link to above and below. But just make sure you've connected it through the services options and you've set up a browser source for Mix It Up in OBS. Okay, here we go. Expand the menu on the left and choose Twitch channel points. Then choose add command to existing reward. I've already done this, so I'm just going to go ahead and edit my existing command in here. As you can see, I have a bunch of actions in here. To add an action, just select it through the drop down list at the bottom. Let's go through mine. Okay, first up we've got sound. This MP3 will play when the redeem is, redeemed, just to let me know a photo is going to be taken. I then have a 2-second wait action, as I want the next action to occur when the sound has finished. I then have another sound action. This is the sound of a camera shutter click, because given the impression that a photo is being taken. Then we have an input command. This is our OBS hotkey. So as you remember before, my hotkey was Control+1. So I have one keyboard key selected and Control ticked as mine. So you just set whatever you've set as your hotkey. Then we have another wait command to wait for the previous command to finish. And then finally we have the Discord command, which is, the Discord magic. I set the action to send a message to my desired Discord channel along with a chat message noting who actually redeemed it. Note here the upload path, which you've probably noted down from earlier. This is why we check that overwrite file name in OBS. Each time we trigger the hotkey, it gets overwritten, so we get the latest screenshot. It should all make sense now. And finally, we have the chat message. This appears in the Twitch chat itself and lets people know who took the photo and where they can go and find it. When done, hit that save button, but do know that you can go and test it at any point by clicking the play button at the bottom or through each stage or each action. A word of advice, you might want to set up a private Discord channel to test this, because otherwise, if you set it to the one you want it to go to all the time and you're testing it, you might just get multiple photos in there of you just making weird faces or whatever, and people might be a bit weird about that, or it depends what your Discord's all about. But for me, set up a private Discord channel and then set it properly when you fully tested it. And that's it. And like I said before, if you want to see this redeem in action before you have a go at it, come over to my Twitch channel and redeem it. It's only 500 points, and I'll probably pull a weird face when you do it because, I'm dead inside, but it's fun. Anyway, if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and maybe watch one of these other videos that appear up here.